SwitchMate is the world's only 1-second installation smart lighting product that instantly attaches magnetically to existing light switches. There's no installation, no tools, no wiring, no configuration, and no Wi-Fi. Finally, everyone can enjoy the many benefits of smart lighting without complicated, costly setups. Never arrive to a dark home again with SwitchMate. SwitchMate welcomes you by automatically turning on lights as you arrive home or enter rooms. SwitchMate can even control your lighting when you're gone, so it always looks like someone is home for enhanced security. Just snap SwitchMate over your light switch, download the free app on your smartphone, and enjoy non-stop smart lighting control at your fingertips or at the wall switch. You can conveniently move SwitchMate around your home. No more investing in smart lighting that you have to leave behind. Modernize your outdated light switches today with SwitchMate.
The chord position allows you to strike, trill, and roll on all 6 strings at once. The lead position allows you to play 1 or 2 strings at a time by trilling, harping, or harmonic tapping. The pick position allows you to pick, tap, slide, or pinch. You can easily switch between positions to combine these techniques in unique and creative ways. We've spent the last few years tweaking and perfecting the guitar triller so that every element performs with precision. The weight, length, and shape have all been carefully calibrated and meticulously crafted for maximum recoil, optimum motion, and an ergonomic design. And now we have the perfect guitar triller.
Great weather always draws me out of the house. I love feeling the sunshine on my face and playing ball with my boys. Without fail, I always notice a chore or two when I'm outside. Sweeping the garage or driveway to clear out dirt, leaves, and debris can be a daunting task. I dread using a heavy and awkward push broom. It seems to make the task that much more difficult. It always takes several swipes to get an area clean, and they don't work well on all surfaces, smooth or rough. The Renegade broom has changed the way I sweep. The Renegade is a German-engineered sweeping tool. It's not your typical outdoor push broom. It's handcrafted in Germany and is the highest quality broom you'll ever own. And it comes with a telescopic handle that adjusts your height. What makes the Renegade so revolutionary is its unique bristle shape. It's designed like a rake, so you're pulling or side sweeping instead of pushing. And you have 6,000 bristles, all working hard to quickly and efficiently sweep up your mess of the moment. With the Renegade, chores are done in half the time. It also works on a variety of surfaces: concrete, bricks, carpet, decking, and even grass, to sweep up snow, wet leaves, dirt, and mess. It makes my chores less of a chore, so I can get back to doing what I love.
Here's the thing about water.
Water doesn't care if you're young or old.
Not. Water accepts you.
and so do we. And we're here to make your water a little more pure, with a more sustainable filter to sustain you, so you can continue on your journey of realizing
You're perfect.
You're perfect.
You're perfect, just the way you are, dude.